Oi, what is up, Crispities? Crispy here, Papa Crispy here to drop you some fat rhymes about some hot chocolate. Motherfuckers, it's getting cold outside, alright? It's starting to flurry right now, alright? You gotta sit down, put on some Rudolph, the original shit, the fucking stop motion motherfucker. So yeah, we're making Hershey's hot chocolate, the real shit. Now, there is gonna be a little differentiation from the official recipe on the box here because I don't have vanilla extract. I have Baker's imitation vanilla. You wanna take a look at that real quick? Yeah. Also, new camera courtesy of my uncle. Alright, so what you want to do is you want 2 tablespoons of sugar cane. Alright, so what we're gonna get is this a tablespoon? Yeah, it's a tablespoon. I have a shit ton of sugar. I just realized there's a tablespoon in here. Yeah. 2 tablespoons of sugar in this Hershey's mug. This episode is brought to you by Hershey. Haha. Or is it? Damn, this is a lot of sugar. Motherfucker's getting fucking... Hell no, I'm not getting diabetes. Fuck that shit, I'm using this. That's 1. I mean, it is pure cacao, so I'm assuming it's not sweetened. You know, it's not milk chocolate or anything. It's cacao. I get this thing out here. Cacao is incredibly bitter. Have you ever had 100% chocolate? I have, and this shit is bitter. Next, we are going to want a dash of salt. Now, I'm pretty sure a dash is literally this. Next, you are going to want 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa, which is what I'm reading the recipe off of. Don't worry, this video might seem really disjointed, but when I put my slaves to editing, it's going to be pretty amazing. So we want 2 of these. This is really smooth. Now I learned this at the Academy of Bullshitters. Get a knife out. You want it evenly. If you want an even thing, you just gotta. Oof. Alright, that's 1. Shit's really staining this white. Alright, next, you want a cup of milk. Now, I have a cup of milk right here. Now, to get a cup, we're gonna have to get one of these boys out. 1 cup. That's a little more than a cup, but whatever. We want milk. You know, when you make like Swiss Miss and shit, they're like, yo, it's milk chocolate, hot chocolate. So the fuckers are like, yo, you might want to use water, but I'm like, nah, fam. I like the smooth shit. I like the smooth, creamy hot chocolate. You know, I was gonna make Swiss Miss, but you know, that's too easy. So I thought, yo, let's make this a cooking video. Now, next, you are going to want 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I think that's it. It might be a quarter. I don't know. I've never been good at math, but you know what? That's what these are for. You don't need to be good at math when you have these. Mix sugar, cocoa, and salt in a large mug. All right. We have the sugar, the cocoa, and the salt. All right, we're gonna mix it now. Should use my Doctor Who mug, but that's a different story because it's not dishwasher safe, and it's kind of in the shop. That's what the kids say, right, when something's decommissioned. Alright, so now we want to heat milk in microwave. Well, this is fucking not Kevlar, what's it called? Pyrex, so we're fine with that. While that's going, I want to get my vanilla extract going. Alright, there's our vanilla extract. Or imitation vanilla for all you purists out there. Like, Auntie Crispy, you said it was imitation, that it calls for extract. Yeah, I know. I hear you fucking heavy breathing, clacking on the keyboards over on the comments. I know. Alright, is this hot? Nah, I can feel that bitch. That bitch still cold. See, I'm working on family-friendly content. Can't you tell with my my non-swear words? Oh, fuck. Well, demonetization, it was fun while it lasted. You know, I enjoyed my job. Alright. Oh, it's bubbling. Yeah, it's ready. Pour it in. Yep. Pour it in. Got a girl. She's a feisty girl, I tell you. Alright, that seems stirred enough. Let's put the vanilla in. Now, I think this should taste pretty damn good. So let's, wait. Oh, that's lovely. Let me show you guys. Isn't that lovely? I mean, look at that. It's pretty nice. And where's my spoon? There it is. That's lovely. Look at that. That's lovely. Alright, back to the normal camera. If everything goes according to plan, this might be part of the Christmas haul video that will be out. Probably the 26th or the 27th of December. So that would be today if I upload this when I say I'll upload it. Happy holidays, Crispities. I'm out.